Need more power in your Nerf blaster? Our performance upgrades have got you covered. Visit orangemodworks.com today.
Hey, I'm Charlie from Nerf4hire. Now I'm on a horse. You don't remember the last time I was here. In fact, Nerf was in the snow. Nerf was in the school. Nerf was on a beach. But now, we're beginning to run out of ideas. There are annotations all around me from our best Nerf wars. We've made reviews. And plenty of behind-the-scenes videos.
I'm Rupert Riggs and we're behind the scenes of the Nerf4hire production.
This is behind the scenes of Nerf Beach Zone.
You can feed it. You tell us what kind of videos you want us to make. If you want us to make a video of us chasing some ducks with a Nerf gun, we'll do it.